Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is MT Ocean, and today we're going to talk about Hitman free black screen on startup. So if you're just like me and all the guides and notes out there didn't help you out, this is a simple solution that I found out and I hope it helps you as well. So let's jump in. So obviously the first thing you want to do is disable your antivirus or put Hitman free on exception list of your antivirus. If you don't know how to do that, please let me know so I can make a video guide about that as well. So first thing you want to do is go here, type CMD, go here, right click, and click Run as Administrator. From here, just type or copy paste the line that I put for you guys in the description. What this is going to do is bring out the uninstallation of Ansel for Nvidia. After pressing enter, if you have Nvidia Ansel installed on your computer, an uninstallation pop-up going to come out. From here, it's just a standard uninstallation process. And after you're done, Hitman free should be running fine. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment if you find this video helpful. And subscribe for more gaming content such as guides, charts, or playthroughs. See you all in the future.